Hello students, in today's lecture I will tell you how to rounding of the values in the data view form. So first of all you will open the data like this and go to the tab go to the column of the value in which you want to rounding of the data. First of all, you will select the data like this. Press Control and click like this and this, and go to the transform form, and then go to rounding form, and then go to click on round. When you click the round, Power BI will ask you to tell how much decimals you want to round of data. So I need to round off to 2. Here is 4, and somewhere is 3. So but here I am go to 2 decimal places, and press 2 and then OK. After pressing OK, I will get the product like that. So please, for more tutorials, subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.